Hello guys, this is Jitendra Juras here from the Office Guide tutorial. Today we are going to see how we can make an Instagram ad in PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's start to the tutorial. Before I go further, if you're new to my channel, I would highly recommend you to go and hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials on Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So let's start. So this is the 3 ads which I have made for today's tutorial. The first is for one electrical appliance company, one is for some random pizza for food industry company, and the third is for a finance company. So I will say these are not very good ads, but as a beginner tutorial, or if you're some small organization or company or a retail shop, you need not to pay more amount to some designer or somebody. You can just go yourself and design your ad in PowerPoint, just in PowerPoint. You don't even need any costly software such as like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, Corel, anything. Usually everybody has PowerPoint with them. You can go and easily just drag and drop some photos and you can make an ad. For this part of video, I'm going to show you how you can make this ad in PowerPoint. So for that, I'll press Ctrl N to take a new document. I'll delete everything, or in simple you can come to layout and you can choose blank. Now the very first thing, if you compare from this slide, the size we need to maintain for Instagram, either it's the preferred size is either 1:1 or 4:5. So I'll suggest you to go for 4:5. So I'll come to design tab, slide size, custom slide size, and I'll change it to custom, and I'll give a size of width of say 24 and height of 30. So if you divide these two, they come into the ratio of 4:5. Now click OK, and you can choose any of the option. So I'll choose maximize. So here we are ready with our basic slide dimension. Before I start, I just want to show you, whenever you make some ad, the very first thing you need to think is the font, because a font is something which speaks for you. Let us see this example. This is an electrical appliance company. You can see the font here is pretty straightforward, all straight font. But when it comes to this ad, which is for a pizza company, here you can see the font used here, the "Don't be hungry." It's little stylish. It's like handwritten font. Why? Because you need to attract people. Your category of people is different to attract. So that's very important. Just in the third example, if you see this font also is very bold font, because you need to target such an audience which is not curious. They'll not be like young. So this font is a little crazy kind of font. But for a financial company, the font doesn't suit. Let us assume if I make this same font, I think the font name is Shink. Now you can say the beauty has lost, the advertisement beauty has lost completely. So selection of font is the first thing. So I'll come back to my presentation and I'll choose, let us say you are making for a financial company. I'll prefer to use a font called Montserrat. So I'll make a text box. I'll type the font. So if you don't know the font, the link is provided in the description box. You can go and download this font from there. It's freely available. So I'll quickly write any company name. So your company name. We'll make it bold. So I'll press Ctrl A, select all, and I'll make it bold. Right now we'll not bother about coloring it. We'll just making a theme. Okay. This is fine. Now we should bring some images. For that, I have searched on Google electrical appliance PNG. PNG will give you a transparent image, which means there will be no background color. So I have chosen this image here. So what I'll do, I have downloaded this image. So I'll come to presentation. I'll come to insert picture, and I'll quickly jump to my folder and I will add this photo. Nice. So now we need to make some offer for a customer to attract them. For that we are going to make this shape now. This shape is available here, circle, hollow. Now make sure when you're drawing you press shift first, then drag so that you will get a perfect circle. Now you can see a yellow icon here. Reduce its size to adjust the thickness accordingly. In case you resize this circle, make sure to press shift and resize, otherwise your shape will be distorted. So I will prefer you to press shift and drag. I will select this company logo. I will press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate this, and I will write here 50%, sorry, 50% off, and make sure you write some up to 50% off. Okay, press Ctrl A and Ctrl E to center this text. Reduce this text box size and place it over here. Now what I'll do, since we need to show the customer 50% off, I'll increase its size. Adjust the text box accordingly. Press Ctrl if you want to adjust in both the sides, and again I'll center this. Looks fine. Even if you want to increase it more, you can go further. So this is going to attract your audience, just like you are offering something 50% off. Now I'll quickly write on all products. So what you need to do, press Ctrl and drag. So this is another shortcut to copy anything. So I'll write on all products. I'll press Ctrl E to center it, and I'll place it somewhere here. So now this is going in too much end, so I'll keep it somewhere here, and accordingly I will drag these two. Nice. This, for me, I'm feeling it should be a little bigger, because another thing is Montserrat comes with so many families, so I will choose Montserrat black, so it emphasizes more. Now let us give some background here first. So background color, you go. Why I want to give background here, because you can see this washing machine, the background, it's not differentiating from the background, so there has to be something background which moves it apart from the background. So for that I'll come to solid fill, and I will give a little gray color. This looks fine to me, but it looks too dull, so what I'll do, I'll give 5% darker. This looks good to me. Now let us choose some color. So I usually prefer to take color from the image, so I'll double click on this text, come to text fill, eyedropper, and I'll like to choose this color. Okay, so it relates, it looks like it's related to this product. I'll select this again, select this circle, come to shape outline, make it no outline, come to shape fill and give the same color. Coming up to 50%, just select only 50% and give it a color. Okay, if you feel this thickness is less, you can increase a bit. Now looks fine. So now our top part is ready. Now we need to add some description in the below part. For that I will take a rectangle, draw the rectangle from this corner, press shift and rotate it one time, okay, and stretch it so that it fills the entire slide. Now what I am trying to do here, I just want this part of the rectangle. So for that I will draw a rectangle here. First select this and then select this. Make sure you press shift to select both. Okay, first select this, press shift and then again click on this to select. Come to format, merge shape and click subtract. Same way again draw a rectangle. Okay, now you cannot see where are the lines, so what you do, you increase its transparency. Okay, in case you don't know how to get this dialog box here, you can just right click here and format shape, so you'll get this. I'll again show. You can right click here, format shape. Now again I'll move it here. So now you can see this line. This is the line of your slide dimension. You can click it here. Make sure you cover everything. Select this first, press shift and again click here to select this. Again come to format and subtract. Same goes again for the third side also. Draw a rectangle. Select this, then this and subtract. Now we are done with the shape. Now I'll do a shape fill, this color, outline, no outline, and make sure you again decrease the transparency to 0. Okay. In case you are feeling that it's going too high, what you can do, simply drag it down. Okay, that looks fine. Now I want to add some text here. I will adjust it a bit. Yeah. Now I'll add some text. I'll copy this text again, control and drag. Now press shift again and rotate it once. So that is the reason we are doing pressing shift. So now what happens, you will get this thing exactly parallel to our rectangle. Now you make your offer. So let me just see what I wrote here. Exclusive winter sale. So I will write exclusive. Increase the size bit and make sure you touch it somewhere here so that it looks like it is coming out of that. Yeah, looks good. Again I will drag this. I'll change the text fill color to be white and I will write here winter sale. Increase the size even more because we want to emphasize that it's a sale. Looks good. Okay. Now where you want to bring the people, you need to mention your website. So visit now www.yourwebsite.com and I'll reduce the size a bit. So that's all guys for today's tutorial. If you really want how you can make the other two, do let me know in the comment box. And also let me know what you think about this video tutorial. You can go and check out my other tutorials also. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.